It's a beautiful morning. Early in the morning. It's so quiet. We're just going for a walk. I don't know how far I'm going, but I'm just taking a walk. But my ankle is not. Trust me. You can hear the birds. I saw. The people coming. Good morning.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How are you? Hey, buddy. Hey. What's his name?
Roxy.
Oh. Hi, Roxy. He's cute.
Say hi to us.
Yeah. Nice looking trail. Oh, wow. I should take booster. I'm down here by myself. Look. Should take booster next time. Oh, that's a big tree. So the water running. Oh, we should be more. Just one man come down here to come fishing. Some of us go through them bushes. I just want to go fishing. Ow! Oh. I made it! Yes! I made it! Yes! I made it. Across the water. Nobody can cross it. See me cross it there? See me cross it. Listen, it's kind of chilly, but the weather feel nice. Trust me. But just see one man coming here to come fishing. And about 20 to 30 minutes after him left. I wonder if he can catch the fish. Because one time I come here, I see a Chinese youth come and use a big rock and lick off a duck head. Just fling the rock off of the duck. I think I one fling him fling. And lick off a duck head and the duck drop in the water and him just hurry up and pick up the duck. Push it in our bag and walk. And gone in yard. That was duck for dinner that night. He wanted duck for dinner. Kind of blurry. I guess my phone won't clean off. I'll be down by the river, singing songs of joy in the sunshine. Yes, I'm down by the river. That's what the song go. I like the song there, but I don't too know the words. But yeah, you get it. I'm down by the river. So now I cross back. Tell me how I jump from the stone this and jump. How me I go over back? I think I go walk this way. But I did walk the wrong way. Walk this way. But I not jump this way. Fuck up. Ah. Oh shit. Water getting on my shoes. Ooh. Cause my ankle. Ankle them look good. Oh shit. I think I can't walk. Cover Bridge, 0.7 miles. Valley Green Inn, 2.2 miles. It's kind of chilly, but it's nice to be out. to be away.
Me na your belly every all ride out. Me na your belly every all ride out. Your good pussy can never see.
Bubble from the body till the body one broke.